Stoichiometry, relationships between ingredients. The numerical relationship between chemical quantities in a balanced chemical equation is called reaction stoichiometry. So notice that we need to make sure that we have a balanced chemical equation. We can predict the amounts of products that form in a chemical reaction based on the amount of reactants. So, depending on how much we put in, we can predict how much we're going to get out. We can predict how much of the reactants are necessary to form a given amount of product. We can predict how much of one reactant is required to completely react with another reactant. As an analogy, let's look at making pancakes, for example. Relationships between ingredients. After all, chemical compounds are just ingredients. If we have a recipe which gives a numerical relationship between the ingredients and the number of pancakes, for example, if to make 5 pancakes we need 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder, we can make 5 pancakes. That's our relationship. Think of these as being our reactants and the pancakes as being the products. The recipe shows the numerical relationship between the pancake and the ingredients. For example, we need 2 eggs to make 5 pancakes. If we have 2 eggs and enough of everything else, we can make 5 pancakes. So we could say we have an excess of our other ingredients. We can write this relationship as a ratio, 2 eggs to 5 pancakes. But what if we have 8 eggs? If we have 8 eggs, then we can make 20 pancakes because we have 2 eggs makes 5 pancakes, then 8 eggs, 2 times 4, will make 20 pancakes, 5 times 4, assuming that we have enough of all the other ingredients. It's the same type of thing we're going to do with a chemical reaction. If we have 1 nitrogen molecule, then 2, and we have 3 hydrogen molecules, 3 H2s, we can put 3 hydrogen molecules and 1 nitrogen molecule together to make 2 ammonia molecules. So we break these bonds, we put them back together, and 3 of these go on one of those, and the other 3 go on the other. So this is a recipe that tells us that we need 3 hydrogen molecules for every 1 nitrogen molecule to make 2 ammonia molecules. And that is just a simple analogy between making pancakes and stoichiometry, which we're really about to get into.